A court-martial involving charges of child pornography possession came to a sudden end at CFB Esquimalt today. The charges against leading seaman Travis Stansfield were withdrawn. The prosecutor told the military court that there was little or no expectation of a conviction in light of a Supreme Court ruling of Canada last week. In that case, the country's High Court tossed out a Saskatchewan man's child porn conviction, saying that his rights had been violated by an unreasonable search of his home computer. And the lawyer defending the sailor in Esquimalt says he has been raising objections for months about the conduct of military investigators in his client's case. A-News reporter Eric Thompson has the story.
The court-martial of leading seaman Travis Stansfield ended before it began at CFB Esquimalt. The prosecutor told court there is little or no expectation of conviction in light of a Supreme Court ruling Friday. The decision in a civilian case upheld charter rights against unreasonable search and seizure, causing the prosecution to withdraw charges against Stansfield.
I came to the conclusion that there was no longer a reasonable prospect of conviction to pursue this matter, and that's why I withdrew the charge.
Leading seaman Stansfield had been accused of possessing child pornography while serving aboard HMCS Calgary in the Persian Gulf in the summer of 2008.
How all this started, really, was a DVD was found on ship. A DVD was found in his personal space on ship. Loose. It was not locked.
Defense lawyer Lieutenant Mark Letourneau says following the discovery of the DVD, his client was interviewed by the Canadian Forces National Investigation Service, or NIS. Defense counsel says there are several audio recordings of leading seaman Stansfield denying ownership of the DVD in question. However, counsel also says there is a signed affidavit by NIS officers suggesting otherwise. Lieutenant Letourneau says investigators then went to his client's home, where they allege child pornography files were found on a computer.
He was not aware that his personal computer at home had these images. His computer at home was accessible by other people. There was alternate suspects.
Lieutenant Letourneau had been raising objections for months concerning the conduct of military investigators and says he believes they should be held to account.
It's always easy to blame the police after the fact, but when the Supreme Court states what the law is, it does change the law as it existed prior to the search.
In addition to the now withdrawn criminal charges, leading seaman Stansfield has been the subject of an administrative review, the outcome of which is not clear. At CFB Esquimalt, Eric Thompson, A-News.